I'm having a busy day today. Asiliqala nusuku. Oh, ubone ring indaba. Hayi wena buka ivlog. Ngizobona ukuthi ngiyindaba ngize ngafaka iring igcineni. Zwabu ne, zwabu. Hi guys. Ningangithuki, ningangidinelwa, ningangithethisi. I know I've been gone for a long time. Namanje ngiyayigulela ngiphethe i-flu, but I'm here with you guys. Soqala lana ke. I-room yami ngiklina almost every day, but ihlezi izoba untidy. Not that it's untidy. Well, it is untidy because iy'ngubo ziyantanta buka nje. Buka. I have to sort out yonke le mess la namhlanje, no other day. I'm doing my laundry. I need to wash my bedding. I need to wash my clothes. I need to go buy curtains. The reason why I haven't bought my curtains because bengi enjoy shame the sunlight, and well, in Gaza I can always open the curtains, but I just enjoyed the feel. But hey, it's getting a bit too much. Ilanga uma ngabe liphumela la kwi-apartment yami mase selisetha futhi sekuyi-sunrise li-sunrisela la kwi-apartment yami, and I don't like having to be scared to walk out of the bathroom naked and stuff because you'd never know who's watching. So yeah, I'm gonna do a lot of things namhlanje, but it's gonna be a fun day, I promise you guys. Right now I'm going to the shops. I know maybe there's people that want to ask me ukuthi kunjani ukuhlala eGoli for the second time ngedwa. How's it so far? It's okay. Hi Vukana auntie. Ngitawuka. What's in January? Oh, every day, not on weekends. Oh, how are you?
Yo, what's up, guys? Your boy T here.
TNT. Yeah, I was still saying, Guti, uklale Goli ongedwa. It's quite refreshing. I think it's safe. Durban has a lot of. So I'm good here, Shem. Okay, what I'm gonna start by doing is I'm gonna go get myself but I cooked izolo, so I don't want that food ukuthi kube nenkinga. Kuzomela ngiyothenga inyama. Yodwa shoot. Cause wenzani lo? Izolo ngenza steak. Bengiphekile. Uphuthu, steak, ikabish. Yeah, it was so good. I feel like meaning in kumbise food whenever I cook. Bese sengijwayele ukwenza ama-video amafishane kakhulu, so I think I might as well just go back to long form content and obviously post lapho nalapho i-content encane. Angisahlala eMidrand, ngiqala ukumuvela la eGoli ngahamba ngayohlala eMidrand. It's been so great. It's been very great. Uhlekani? Like uhlekani? So yeah, ngizothenga manje Kentucky. Because nje later on I want to cook something fresh, something good, something nice. And ukungakudli manje lokudla will mean I have to throw it away. Why? Ukungakudli manje lokudla ukuthi shit izomela ngikulahle. Because phela ntambama kuzobe sekuspoil some pretty certs. Well, I don't think so. If ungakufaka nje kwi-fridge, but I don't want to eat uputhu nekabishi nenyama again tonight. No. Yo guys, I'm a great cook and I think I'm falling in love with cooking. I really am. Ningiphelezele futhi girl. Ngizopheka njani namhlanje? Guys, I still have to figure it out. Sambeni ke ongiyothenga kuya ngasethunjwini mntana omuntu. Iwashing ngishiya ibhoxuzwa lapha, ibhoxuzwa umshini mntana omuntu. So guys, sokuyisikhathi sokuthi ngikhuluma ukwiti.
Hello, are you?
Hello, ngiyaphila wena? Oh, ke teng o kae?
Kita.
Ke kopa bucket for one e tanked.
Now packet for one.
Yebo.
Kyo na fe.
And cold drink. Ngiyezwa-ke mangithi mina ngiyaphila unjani. Yena akafuna ukuphendula ngoba yena akayizwa into engiyikhulumayo. Akayizwa into engiyikhulumayo. Why mina kumele ngizwe into ayikhulumayo ningayizi? Ngiya-understand ngisegoli. Bese futhi ngikhuluma isiZulu naye la manje. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Ngiyaphila. IsiZulu sazi. Uthi yobana. Singbola bayasazi isiZulu. Hello, I'm okay. How are you?
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye. Oh, angisithola ngaki isikhathi la ukuthi ngimtest. Uthi yasazi. I also need to go to the car wash. Yazi imoto yami ingcolile. But I think I'm gonna have to go by isikhathi manje 11:45. Okay, let me just go to Checkers quickly. Ngithenge my supper for tonight and into engizoyiphuza manje when I'm done eating. Wait, because I have to okay, makeup yami kumele ngiyenza at 2 p.m. so I have manje until 1:30 because I'm going to do it at Carlswild, which is like a couple of minutes away from me. So do I take my car to the car wash now? Or yeah, I think I need to take it now. Yeah, I need to take it now. Wait. Yeah, let me take it now. Ooh, what am I gonna cook today? What am I gonna cook today? I have Happily in my house, so what's in the stock? Be Happily, and then go to Checkers to get myself something to drink, and then get supper for later on. Yeah. Yangena like I dice and I'm a spicy, so I think I'm just gonna have to get some spicy or pay that. I sent you oh. Sine cayenne pepper lana. Cayenne pepper and but yes, cayenne pepper. And then do I need these things or I just want them? I need them. Because I'm a cook. So let me just go get. Oh, nine. Okay. So, which one are we starting with? Organic spice. There's black pepper, white pepper. I think as those corner white pepper. Oh, corner white pepper like yeah. Corner organic spice. Whole biryani mix, organic spice. Wait. Cold for happy and flavor. Oh, I didn't see it. Are you taking it? Flavor? Mint. So anything mint. Mint cream. Sorry? Yeah, any cone. The one that I can use a lighter to ding. Yeah. My sister taught me Happily not so long ago, so I wasn't a fan. I'm new to these things.
You're new.
Yeah. Can I also have a lighter? You know what I like doing, man? I like eating like your raw.
Peanuts.
Yeah, raw, not peanuts, but like you see those herbs that help your body to function without you having to take supplements, like your garlic, your ginger. Do you have something like that here? Maybe that I don't know of that I can take.
Ginger powder, I got garlic powder.
Garlic powder, what is it? Ish, now you're taking it from me. Okay, thank you. I thought you were gonna show me. Hey, you can just give me anything that you know. I don't know, it helps. Because I heard that cayenne pepper helps with your ulcers and I saw online.
You have like small pack.
How much is a small one?
This one is 49.
And the small one? Okay, yeah. Small one is fine. Garlic spice. I love garlic spice. Garlic spice. Oh, yenza ukudla kube mnandi. Smells good. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, I came in here for into eyodwa sengibuya nezinto eziningi.
Follow you guys.
Oh,
Always on
nice.
your podcast, guys.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Guys, sesiya Checkers manje. Well, ngisadinga ne-Checkers because phela sengiyithengile izinto la. Ngidinga ukudla kwantambama. But I can always buy no meaning. Let's just go now. It's fine. Okay, I need to wipe this thing first. Yo, yabona indaba yecamera ifakela namehlo. Hi there. Ngiyaphila nani? Awu cha ngosem. Manga ngibona uZulu la inhliziyo yami vele igezeke ngenye indlela. Nice to see you. Hello guys, ninjani? Ngiyaphila nani? Hey, Facebook, hey, TikTok. Hey, YouTube. Oh, sorry, YouTube. You tell Facebook. Okay, last is a funny juicy. Sifuni cake. P-E-E-E-E. Okay, which flavor do I want? Orange mango, breakfast blend, orange mango. And then what do I need? What else do I need? Okay, tonight I'm gonna have corn for sure. Okay, I'm gonna with the chicken corn. Let's do steak again and spinach, creamy spinach. Yeah, that's what I'm craving. So we have to get. I already have all the other ingredients. What I need to get now is butter. Yeah. I need some butter. I'm in my apartment manje. Sengibuyile ukuyothenga. Ngithengile zonke izinto engiyidinga. Sanokufika. Storage is vele sangiphelela. Oh, I couldn't vlog further, but thank you so much for the love to each and everyone. Ngiyakutshela.
Alright, so I think you was a appointment and then take it from there.
Okay, izolo bengithe ngizokufonela after ukufonela abanye but editing ingivove kungasaveki, so I couldn't call. Emberegweni ungitshele mase usubuya kadokotela ngizokufonela noma ungifonele and then we can talk. Okay, sure. Hambe kahle kube ngcono. Love you more. Ungagcina ninjoke uzu love you. Futhi I take my love you more back. Love you too. Cha, love you too, just. Aibo, angisakho talking stage leyo mina oh. Angisekho nje okuleyo talking stage nakhona hey oh. Ngiyalingwa yini? Yabo nje ilomluko engolukile wenza ukuthi uyaphuma a lot, but nakho ukudla kwami njengoba bengishilo. Nakho ukudla kwami too much room, babes. Ngifuna ukubona ukuthi isebenza ngempela yini engiyenza. In the end, my email is in my bio. Ay bo. Iyabereka. Baby iyabereka ba guys. Bukani. Ay bo, oh Handy. Anangala. Ay bo Handy. Hey, spotless. Njengoba ngibhaxa spring cleaning, ngizosula yonke lamakhona. Ngisadinga umfutho, ngidinga amandla, ngidinga ukudla. Angazi ngoba ngizowenza i-makeup ukuthi kuzowenza kanjani. Also indaba ye-makeup, usise makeup is the one that's coming to me manje. Kuningi okwenzakalile. I-app yami iyawazi ingenzela imhlola, but yeah, she's coming. Uzosuka la ihlala khona in 20 minutes. So yeah. Copyrights man clear ngeza babe. Yeah. Banda wethu. Ikabishi nje uyazi na ukuthi lihamba nemayonnaise. Kuyatsamaya. Hayi, yashisa lokho. Hayibo. Kuyavutha. Manje ngiphuza guys, mina angithandi ukulila ngespoon. Ngalila nje kini uma ngimemile. But manje ngihlala kadwa. Noma ngisekhaya. Hayi. Masibuyele emasisweni. Apparently mina ngumsindo of ama-hours ntontoni abhalwe kwi-lease agreement. Ilabelungu abahlala eceleni kwami. Iwashing ngamsikedile. Mina ngifake i-bedding manje. Labelungu labo abahlala la bane problem. Oh. Nakona nje live ekhaya and I didn't even make noise. I made sure I'm not making noise. If I did, it wasn't even after. But I think so much. I don't know about you guys, but yeah, I'll tell them what damn beans, yes. My mom hates them. What's no Chris? What's no Chris? What's the little crack there? Oh, boy. Hello there. I need to get something from Discam, so that's where we're going right now. I need meds, kakula, and sanitary pads. Like me, Discam is like 2 minutes away from where I stay. So I have arrived. Yazi ukuthi ngiyezwa manje singempela ngiyagula ngempela kakula nje ngigula futhi nje uthi ngifake sakuhlehla ngike nibabone labantu abangakwazi ukupaka sakuhlehla ukuthi abe benomona uma bekubona upaka sakuhlehla wathi uthanda ukubukwa hayi uthi ngithanda ukubukwa angiyithenganga i-license angithenganga ngafunda sure ngisho ne-security lithi sure ngoba liyabona ukuthi lo driver lo Usain Bolt libona Usain Bolt no this camera something fast oh ngiyasho ukuthi hayi man ngiyasho yazi sengisendlini ngithi ngifuna ukubeka ifoni kwi-tripod angiyiboni i-tripod ngiyasho ukuthi oh ngoba ingekho endlini futhi ngishiye emotweni guess wathi bengiyishiye emotweni sizele into eyodwa la siyaphuma sihamba sizele into eyodwa la siyaphuma sihamba sizele into eyodwa okay well let's go to guys Kim is here covele bese ngibatshelile ngawo hi guys
Yabonga mama. So I'm learning new tactics. So ngimane ngibheka kancane incwadi.
uzokuyenza nini namhlanje
Ufuna ngenze
angazi I'm not okay ngicela very record angijwayele ukwenza i-makeup yazo manje
Maybe soft glam, qale and then the
eh
next time.
akanje ukuthi
One thing I know ukuthi uzoba muhle.
stand
Either way,
too bright
I think
it's fine
I think you're right.
Sorry.
Oh,
So sorry.
lapho kuncinzana ihle ngivele ngiyiphathula amehlo
Ngisa.
imini bekumele acimeze
Ubuhlungu ne? Umtrainile nosisi wakho yazi.
in terms of content
Yo sihle ke mase sibukela i-content yakho. And I didn't even think ubuzo reply yazini. Yo shame unenhliziyo enhle.
ngangena kona ngasimangithi manje lo sisomuhle kanje
I think you learn skin sakhe.
And then- mase ngabheka yo bio ngawubona umsebenzi wakho ngathi no lo sisilo ngeke uqinisile manje
Shame nje anytime ungibiza even iy'nwele. I feel like
Eh ngoba
ngigoes kakhulu
ngisenzi
ey'nweleni.
ngempela mina ngibona i-makeup mfana yo ngathi yo
I-makeup uthi ngisayifundela. But i-right inhle it's beautiful.
inwele whenever I need to install mangiqaqa nje kakhulu leyo ungitshele yazi uma kumele ngithule
Okay, I will tell you.
pause kakhulu
Fana nathi. Uphansi ngawaphatha ama-eyelashes because I thought you had. Yeah, I thought we posted. Oh, Madina.
ish anginaso ne-speaker to play music sekuthulakele
I don't think uzotholakala kakhulu kuthina sonke. But my sister yena uyathula shame akakwazi ukukhuluma. Khuluma nje here and there. I think ufana nosisi wakho.
we usazombona-ke lo mshoyo well yeah phambi kwabantu yathula
But maseke comfortable eqhelile. I was like, yo, uthuli uyaphoqa mntase yo.
hayi bo kanjani ungibone ama-live for sure ama-live lawa emenza njalo
There was a lady I think, can I be? Are you recording? Stop.
oh can I be your friend ukufesa ilanga kuyangijulukisa so we had to change i-position sengibheke ngalana-ke manje nizongibona sengiqedile ngoba uma ingala kuba mnyama kumnyama so yeah guys niyabona nani
Face the side.
But nje
Phesheya
angifuni
uzothini?
mina,
What? Mina, you know, I've been married before. But nje umshado no.
you got divorced
I got divorced and I'm happy with my boyfriend.
and this is the
I'm
reason
so
why
happy.
again
Like, oh my
ngafuna
God.
ukushada yabo namade ngisho ukuthi I don't mind long-term commitment but ukushada I feel like ukushada comes with a lot of emotional tontoni
Nee.
how was
Hey, it's very depressing, hey?
yeah is that
Sorry, Bella. Oh.
when we make up noma ungayenza ngo-12 ebusuku wena phela kodwa uyazenza vele mina le ngakusasa ngizobe ngizolala ngibheke phezulu
You're so funny.
I'm not gonna wash my face for you no kuthi usukele kodwa phela akukho kude
Akukho kude. Oh, and I don't mind. 'Cause I need to like. Also, like, I've never worked with umuntu ongekho light skin kakhulu, so I'll be learning all the time. As long as we're free, mina ngizobe ngi-free nami, so.
hayi kodwa namhlanje ongizoyi-save ukuze kusasa ungeke ufike ke ngiyiwashe namhlanje lo muntu lo ufuna ngimshuthela amavidiyo awu-2 so what I was thinking ukuthi ngishuthe Kodwa ngoba ngiyashoota for YouTube while you do my face. I don't think I need to shoot for TikTok while you do my face. Okay, guys, do you guys wash your face? Okay, well, let's say you did your makeup namhlanje. Do you wash your face today? If it's like a full glam makeup type of situation. If you do, well, congrats. Face beats deed. Ngase ngiyaqathanga kodwa ngithi unginike inspo.
Mina, I lost my mom and
Unginike inspo nami.
uyabona iyasetha
For
manje
my
makeup nasentyamboni.
grandfather. Ngithi ngisahleka mina like ekhaya vele kuthiwe close your eyes. Ngithi ngisaxoxa close your eyes. Can I open? Can I open?
If you open, once a mistake like you can open just kancane.
Must you bad?
Yes.
Bengazi, I can go full. It's fine. What do you guys think? I haven't seen how I look, but I'm 100% usingayithanda le makeup.
She's putting a trust in me, guys.
Lapho kusamele shoot ithombe. Ah, selisithelile leli langa.
No, angithi-
Selingasephuli ke manje.
We do have a light. Mara zingaba izindlela ngasephuli yazi.
Selingakhona manje. Awungeke kubanda kabi, ongeke mina ngikwazi ukuda manje.
Noma ubhukuda ngigqoke isu. Sase job. Ugqokile into kade take pictures.
Kuyabanda.
Please don't move me.
All done.
Ooh.
Fak lo. Zokufaka manje. Sihlanganise. Yama spare time guys, it's nama florist. It's a full kit on the colors. Silungise imbali la. Siyashadisa namhlanje. Shut Umshado lento. Guys, copyright. Wait, Drake. Manancane Drake. Guys, the reason why Thandwani guys, Thandwani. Zifike ngingalindele le imba. Ayiyona iValentine lena.
Bafonile gate-ini.
Ngicanga ukuthi iValentine. Hayi.
I think is it right?
Yeah, it's right. Very, very nice. Okay, since the content the reason why I was doing my makeup is because so yeah, on the next vlog I'm gonna komplisa yonke into guys, but yeah, I am engaged. Thank you to mommy. Ngiyadlala. Clearly, I'm not cooking anymore, guys. Bengithenge ngizopheka, so guys, bengithenge ngizopheka, guys. This is the end of the vlog. Cheers.